Hi, this is Kevin West from IPC Eagle. Today we're going to talk about our purple line scrubbers, available in 24 and 28. Starting inside, we have two 12-volt batteries making it a 24-volt system. The batteries sit inside of the solution tank, which is 18 gallons. You fill the solution tank in the front, which has a screen to make sure nothing gets in there except solution and your water. Above the battery pack, you're going to notice you have your fuse compartment, and above your fuse compartment, you're going to have your vacuum system. Your vacuum system has an exhaust, which is channeled down this pipe and straight down to the floor. Closing up your machine, we can go down to the head assembly. This head assembly is available in a 24-inch and a 28-inch. You can order it with nylon brushes or pad drivers. When the brushes or pad drivers are installed on the machine, they're going to counter-rotate, cleaning your floor, channeling the water right down the middle. As we move from the front of the machine to the back side, now let's talk about how the solution makes it to the brushes. The solution is going to leave the tank, it's going to go through a filter, then it's going to go to the brushes. You've got a sight tube that allows you to monitor where you are in your clean tank. This pedal right here is going to allow us to raise and lower the actual head assembly to put the brushes down or pads down for cleaning and then upright for transport. Let's talk about the squeegee system. You've got a solid blade in the back and a leading blade with the cutouts to allow the water and air to flow in. As your blades pick up and after time they're going to wear, you have a buckle system that allows you to flip the blades to take advantage of all four edges. That same theory applies to the front with the buckle so that you can flip the blade and get all four edges out of that. Once I put down my actual squeegee, you'll notice that these are yellow because the yellow is a contact point. That allows me to go ahead, lower my bracket assembly, and slip on my squeegee assembly. Tightening down the wing nuts, and then taking my vacuum hose, will then carry all the dirty water up to the recovery tank. Inside the recovery tank, you have a float system that automatically comes up, turns off your vac motor when you've reached the capacity. In addition to that, you also have a filter that protects any dry material from making it to your vacuum system. As we continue on the back side of the machine, we've got the hose that's going to dump our dirty water from our recovery tank. We have our lever that's going to lower and raise our squeegee assembly. We got our automatic battery charger, which will plug into a 110 outlet and charge the battery pack inside the machine. And then as we travel up, we've got the bar that when lifted is going to activate any motors that are in the on position. Let's go over the dashboard. Okay, you've got a key on and off, which when you first turn on, it's going to go through a system check. Once it's gone through the system check, you have your hour meter right here, which is going to tell you there's 0 hours on this unit. Then below that is going to be your battery indicator. Green means you're at full charge. When the green shuts off and the yellow light turns on, that means you're halfway done with your charge. When the yellow turns off and the red turns on, it's time to charge your unit. You've got two pictures down here. This one letting you know when the clean tank needs water. This one, when this lights up, this lets you know that your dirty tank is full. When this lights up, not only will it let you know that it's full, but your vac motor will automatically shut off. This dial right here will go ahead and determine how fast the machine travels when in use and transport. This right here controls your water flow to go little to max. This picture right here will turn your brush motors on and off. This right here is going to be forward, this is going to be reverse, and then last but not least you have your vac motor. Your vac motor can be turned on or off depending on what you're trying to achieve, pickup or no pickup. Putting on your brushes or pad drivers is simple. Go to the front of the machine, slide your brush or pad driver underneath, line it up, give it a twist, and you're ready to go. Now it's time to fill your auto scrubber. Get your water source, fill it up through the screen, reassuring that nothing gets in your solution tank except water. Make sure you put your chemical in after you have your water in there That will reduce the amount of foam that could be created. Okay, so we've got clean solution in there and the chemical. Put our key in, turn the unit on, goes through a system check. Again, this is hour meter. Here's where we are. We have a full charge. Remember, this is our vac motor and this is our brush motor. And then this controls how much clean solution we're going to put down. This controls how fast we travel with the machine. So when I go ahead and I push the brush button, you'll notice it automatically turns on my vacuum. So that means we can go ahead and we can deliver solution to the floor through the brushes, scrub, and then recover it. But we also have to make sure that we're putting solution down. So by holding this down, this allows me to go ahead and determine how much cleaning solution I'm putting down through the brushes. As I said, now we have everything in the on position. When I lift this lever right here, that will activate all the motors that are in the on position. But I have one more thing to do, and that is lower my squeegee assembly. Now the vacuum will hit the floor and recover all the dirty water. Okay, now it's time to clean. Lower your squeegee, put your motors in the on position, lift your lever, and start cleaning.